Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is typing on the keyboard. You all know students, keyboard is the most important part of the computer. Keyboard help us to write on computer. Keyboard has various type of keys. Keyboard has many keys and all of the keys have different functions. In today's session, we will understand the different type of keys present on the keyboard. The buttons available on the keyboard are called as keys. They are called as keys. They have alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, and many more. Let's start understanding that.
Keyboard is an important part of a computer. A keyboard consists of many types of keys. These keys are used to type words, sentences, letters, numbers, etc. into the computer. To enter words and numbers into the computer, we press these keys. The keyboard is divided into various keys, namely alphabet keys, number keys, arrow keys, function keys, symbol keys, special keys. Alphabet keys. A keyboard has 26 alphabet keys on it. These keys are marked from A to Z. We press these keys to type words and sentences.
Remember,
The official name of the computer keyboard is QWERTY keyboard due to the placement of these alphabet keys in the top row. Number keys. There are two sets of 0 to 9 number keys. They are marked with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. We press these keys to type numbers. These are placed above alphabet keys. This portion of the keyboard allows us to use the keyboard like a calculator and input numbers. It has a numlock key which will activate the keypad on the keyboard. Keyboard has light for on or off numlock key. Arrow keys. Arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. These keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right.
So students, we got to know about alphabet keys, number keys and arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys, left, right, up and down. There are 10 number keys from 0 to 9. There are 26 alphabet keys. All these are helpful to write numbers, alphabets and scroll up and down with the help of keyboard. Let's start understanding more.
Function keys. There are 12 function keys. They are marked from F1 to F12. These keys are used for special functions. Symbol keys. Symbol keys are pressed on the top of the number keys. To type these symbols, we need to press Shift key along with that symbol key. Special keys. There are some special keys on the keyboard. Spacebar. Spacebar key is used to give space to the right of the character or word. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Delete key. Delete key is used to erase the letter to the right of the cursor. It also deletes selected text and images. Backspace. Whenever you type something wrong, this key is used to erase it. It is used to erase a letter to the left of the cursor. Enter key. The enter key when pressed while typing will send the cursor to the new line. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. Caps lock key. This key is used to write the alphabet in capital or small case. Keyboard has a light for caps lock that indicates whether the caps lock is on or off. If the caps lock key is on, the alphabet are written in the capital letters. If the caps lock key is off, the alphabet are written in small letters. Caps lock key is on. I love my country. Caps lock key is off. I love my country. Memory recall. A keyboard consists of many types of keys. There are 26 alphabet keys. We press alphabet keys to type words and sentences. We press number keys to type numbers. There are two sets of 0 to 9 number keys. Function keys are used for special functions. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Delete key is used to erase the letter to the right of the cursor. Backspace key is marked with an arrow pointing to the left. There are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard.
The buttons of a keyboard are called its keys. Each key on the keyboard contains a letter, or a number or a special symbol. Spacebar key is the longest key on keyboard. Caps lock key helps to type the letters in capital form. Enter key, when pressed, takes you to the next line in any open document.
So students, we got to know so much of information. If we have to come in next line, we will press the enter key. If we have to write in capital letters, we will press the caps lock key. We have delete key also, and the longest key on the keyboard is space bar. Yes, you all are now aware with all of the keys available on keyboard. You can now use that as well. You know their names. That's all for today's session. I hope you all are now much aware with the use of keyboard.